Another drama is unfolding. A new foal is trying to stand for the first time. Try as it will, the little foal's back legs just don't seem to work. The mare guards it from her curious 2-year-old son. As the hours pass, I realize something's wrong. Even the band stallion Boomer tries to encourage the foal. That's when another band moves into the meadow, led by the husky stallion Looking Glass. Boomer's little band moves away, and the foal tries, but cannot follow. Looking Glass's lead mare notices something in the grass. She's joined by a second mare and a young stallion. She seems to encourage the foal, while Boomer's band looks on. Then Looking Glass approaches, and I was shocked at what happened next. The mares try to stop him. Boomer charges in, but it's too late. I tell myself the stallion did the foal a favor, saving it from a lingering death. But Looking Glass's aggression is disturbing and haunting.